Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Hands-free call car charger, wireless Bluetooth FM transmitter radio receiver, MP3 audio music stereo adapter, dual USB port charger compatible for all smartphones, Samsung Galaxy, LG, HTC, etc. Music streaming adapter and player. Wireless Bluetooth FM transmitter adapter supports Bluetooth/USB disc/TF card/MP3/WMA player. With anti-interference performance and CVC technology, listening to music while charging. Automatically connect memorized paired when powered on. Support WMA MP3 WAV music formats. More compatibility. This Bluetooth cigarette lighter adapter can transfer calling/MP3 music/cellphone voices to the car radio. Compatible with iPad, iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, Google, LG, HTC, and Bluetooth devices. By pairing your device with the transmitter, you can stream music, podcasts, audiobooks, voice navigation, or any other audio content from your device to the car's radio. Hands-free function. The car's Bluetooth adapter with built-in microphone and call handling features switches to hands-free mode automatically from music. Thanks for watching and subscribe.